You don't have to videotape me, just watch this. So this is 1, 2, 3. This is Rob with Lukat Detail Products. I'm using this Lukat Fix It. It's a paint cleaner to clean up this fiberglass air dam. You see that spot right there? So I'm gonna put some on right here. Real easy to do, anybody can do this. Okay, just put this on and you just go back and forth. It's that simple. Just go back and forth, clean the same spot until it clears up, and you saved yourself 4,000 bucks on having to repaint your car. If your paint job looks good right now when it's wet, looks ugly when it's dry, you want to clean it, not wax it, and that's what we got. We got the solution here. Look at that. Voila. How's that look? Okay, so it's a paint cleaner. That's what you need right here, is a paint cleaner. It's called Lukat Fix It. Call us up at 505-304-8652. And this is what'll happen. Voila.